Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to unmute Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, you can see here there is a symbol that no mic, that means muted mic. That means currently your phone in muted mode, and you can 1 second tap, it will become the muted mode. Now it is simply changed. One tapping, it will be ring mode, general mode. That means your phone not muted. Once again it will be go to the vibration mode. You can see here this vibration mode. Once again it will go to the muted mode. So in this way you can easily change your sound profile settings on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, that's guys very simple tutorial, and you can simply go to this mode to unmute your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need a kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.